Hello, welcome to Unit 2, Session 4. Just a real quick video for you. There's a few things you need to know about this week. One is that it's going to be a 3-day week. So you'll notice in your pacing guide and the due dates that everything is due on Wednesday. You can, of course, choose to work until Sunday without penalty. But if you have the option to have a 4-day weekend, you should take that option. I don't know about you, but I kind of like not having to have things to do for 4 whole days in a row. It's kind of nice. I don't actually really ever get that, ever, except for in the summer. Sometimes I do get it in the summer. Anyway, so what that means really is that if whether or not you choose to work beyond Wednesday, it's totally up to you, but you need to reach out to me on or before Wednesday, because Thursday is a teacher work day. It's a non-student contact day, so I'm not going to be available for you to help you out or to call on the phone or text or anything like that. I need to be working on what our school is going to be working on. And then the second day is Friday, October 16th, which is our fall break day for all Jeffco teachers and students. So I'm going to go ahead and take my day off and spend it with my family. So I'm not going to be available by email, text, or phone call. So if you need anything, please make sure that you reach out to me by Wednesday. Real quick, I just want to show you one thing about this week. We're going to be looking at setting. So I went to remember how to access our stuff. Materials, fall semester. Here's our short story unit. Scroll on down to session 4. It will be, of course, available in the updates. The link will just take you right here. So you're going to be looking at your own settings and how they affect you. And then we're going to be looking at how settings affect characters. This is kind of an interesting graphic here that you can read. But you need to choose one of the 3 stories that we have gone over so far in this unit. Scarlet Ibis was a couple weeks ago, and then 7th grade and Lamb to the Slaughter were last week. Now, some of you guys chose 7th grade, and some of you guys chose Lamb to the Slaughter. It's completely up to you which one story you want to choose this week. It's one story. One. We're not doing 2. We're not doing 3. We're doing 1. You're choosing the one that you want to do this activity for. There were some people last week that weren't paying attention and did both stories from last week. So I'm just saying, do 1. How many are we doing? We're doing 1. We're not doing more than 1. You're making yourself do too much work. Anyway, so you are going to choose one of these stories to read, and then you're going to be completing this document here based on the story that you chose, the one story that you chose. Dig deep, you guys. Go beneath the surface. So just real quick, I'm just going to show you. You're going to be looking at the story to provide an example of how the setting limits the character's actions. Provide an example of how the setting causes the character to take action, so on and so forth. You can include a quote here, you can paraphrase, it's totally up to you. And then the last thing is just kind of like a PEA. You're making a conclusion basically about what you are seeing in these stories and how the character is affected. That's all I have for you. I hope you guys have a great week. Please let me know if you need anything.